Hey guys, this is Zevin from DFC. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a Google Meet link from the laptop. Okay, so if you're planning to host a Google meetings, right, you will actually need to share your Google Meet links to your participants. And in this video, I'll be focusing on how to create the link from your laptop. So let's go into the step-by-step sharing. In order for you to create your Google Meet link is basically very easy. And right now, I'm actually logging into my Gmail via a Google Chrome browser. Okay, so what you can see over right here is that on the top right corner, I've already logged into my profile, my Gmail. Yep. So then on the left hand side, this is the icon where you're going to access to your Google Meet. Yep. So over right here, if you can see, after you log in to your Gmail, you'll be able to access all these application by Google directly under your user account, okay, which is your Gmail. It's all linked together. Yep. So over right here, if you can see, there will be this icon called Google Meet. So this is the place that you're going to create your Google Meets accounts, your Google Meets meeting and the Google Meet link right here. Yep. So from here, if you can see on the left hand side, there's this create new meeting. Okay. So when you click on that, there's actually 3 settings for you to choose from. Okay. You can create a meeting for later, or you can straight away start an instant. The second one is the most common one that we are using. So usually when you create this instant meeting, straight away your participants and your friends or your colleagues will be able to click in and join into this link immediately. Okay, so you can basically start a meeting right away. Yep. And the last one is on schedule in Google Calendar. So I'll be sharing with you in my another video on how to create the Google Meet in Google Calendar in a much more simpler steps. Yep. So this video I'll be focusing in these first 2, right? So I will start with the second one, which is start an instant meeting, because like I mentioned, this is the most common one that we'll be using. So this is how it goes, right? Start an instant meeting, and before it actually gets started, right, Google or Google Meet will allows you to test your camera and to test your mic before you get started. Okay, so if you can see from here, this screen is actually for you to double check this is how it will looks like when the moment that you join the meeting. Okay, so I have my mic turned on. So if you can see over right here, it's actually detecting my voice. Yep. And also my camera. So if I turn off, when the moment that I join meeting, they won't see my cam. Okay. And same thing, if I just mute myself, you can see that's over right here. There's no, there's no the wave of the audio being received. Okay. So you can just double checks your audio and double checks your your face, right, your camera and everything. And at the same time, if you want to change your background, you can see that on the right hand side there's these icons as well. You can also change the background. So let's say I want to go to the sea. Okay, you can also upload your own background from there. Yeah, so just let it load for a while to pull out my background. So if you can see, this is me and this is me. Okay, so over right here, this is the one that you will be able to straight away change your background. Yep, so very fast and very easy. Yeah, so I will just use this background. You can also upload your own picture as your background. Okay, so no issue, right? So right after you double check, your screen is good, your mic is good, and this is the moments that you can just come here and click on join now. Okay, once you join now, right, what will happen is over right here, it will prompt this Google Meet link. Okay, and this is the one that you're going to share with whoever that is going to join the meeting with you. Okay, so you can just come here, copy this link, and you can just paste this link to either when the moments that you are writing in Gmails to invite people to join in. You can also share this link to WhatsApp. You can also share this link directly to the persons that you want them to join your meeting. Okay, so once you click here, they will be joined, or you can come here as well to do manual adding. Okay, so you can just come here and manually invite the peoples that you want them to join. Okay, so what will happen is that if you can see my screen, if let's say you accidentally remove or close the window just now, so you won't be able to see what we call as the the Google Meet link again. What you can do is that you can just come here. Okay, the meeting details, you see this? Yep. So you will be able to get this link again. So I'll just close my cam here, so you won't be able to see like two of me two of me like keep on screenings, right? And yeah, the Google Meet's screen, it shows a little bit of delay right there, right? So this is the place that I mentioned, just in case if you accidentally close the pop-up message. Yep, and you can still come to here under the meeting details. You can still come here and you can still click and copy and invite people to join in. Yeah, and yeah, so this is the place that you'll be showing over right here. And when the moments that you join in, you'll be able to see the peoples right here as well. Okay, and also the chat message. So when someone join into the meeting, straight away you'll be able to see these numbers increase. Okay, people 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and so on. Yep, and you'll be able to see the participant name coming in from here. Okay, so just now I was sharing with you guys, if let's say you can copy the link straight away, and at the same time you can also invite people using their Gmail as well, adding in the emails. Yep, so this is where you go. If you accidentally close the pop-up message just now, yep, you can come to here, add people, and over here the same thing. You can just type in the email address of the participants that you would like to invite and send them the invitations. Yep. So that's all that I would like to share with you in this video on how to create your Google Meet link from your laptop. Yep. So if you would like to know more informations, checking out whether or not you are going to create the link from your mobile phones or from your Google Calendar, you can check out from my other videos below, okay, that I stated in my description. And at the same time, if you successfully created your Google Meet link, you can also leave a comment below and let me know that this video, it actually helps you. Alright, so if you like our video, remember to help us to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.